Hello friends and welcome on my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about different uses of Alexa. Yes, I'm a genuine fan of artificial intelligence, and adding this can add an edge to your modern parenting. It not only does reduce your kids' screen time, but since these devices are interactive, they also make them smart. Plus, for us, they can act as modern babysitters while we are indulged in our work or while we are cooking or cleaning the house. So let's start the video. If you are new here, I'm Dr. Vidya. I make videos on modern parenting, kid-friendly food and kids activities. If you like my channel, then please do subscribe to it and do hit the notification bell. And you can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook at @momIamhome. So let's start the video. You can use Alexa to incorporate some physical activity in your everyday schedule of your kids. There are a lot of fun programs like animal workout or animal yoga, in which Alexa used to give instruction to kids. She tells them to make different poses, and this is very fun, and you can also get involved with kids and enjoy the yoga. Moving on, you can use Alexa to play different songs or rhymes or bedtime lullabies for your kids. Yes, you can give her instruction to play if you want some specific song also, or if your kid is a fan of any specific channel, then you can ask Alexa to play that songs from that channel only. For example, from Chuchu TV or from Cocomelon, you can tell her to sing happy birthday song, or she sings Twinkle Twinkle also. This is like a best way to reduce the screen time of your kids. Also, it develops their conversation skills. When you are giving command to Alexa, the kid used to listen to it, and then they slowly try to imitate that, and they also learn that skill. And as I said earlier, when you are doing work from home or when you are cooking, you can just engage your kids by playing these songs. Next, you can use Alexa for learning. There's wide range of scope according to the age of your kid. I'm giving you a few examples, like you can ask Alexa about different capitals of different countries, or you can also ask capitals of states of India, or any other general knowledge related questions. Then you can also teach spellings to your kids. Like my kid is small, Vedansh is small, so I used to teach him spellings of different fruits, vegetables or animals, and many everyday items or words. Like you have to just ask Alexa, tell me the spelling of elephant, and she tells you instantly. Then you can utilize her mathematics skills also for learning numbers and simple addition or subtractions. So let's move on. The most incomparable use of Alexa is you can use it as a sleeping aid. Yes, not only for babies or toddlers or your kids, you can also utilize this function of Alexa. Studies have shown that babies and toddlers go to sleep easily when there is some white noise playing in the background. So you can ask Alexa to play such sounds. You can tell Alexa play sleeping sounds. Then there are lots of options. There's a beautiful sound of ocean or beach in which you can hear waves of the sea. Also, there is a rainforest sound in which you can hear crickets chirping. Then there is water flow or river stream sound. And not only sounds, you can also utilize Alexa to tell bedtime story to your kids, or you can play some baby lullabies or some soothing lullaby music also. So that is an amazing use of Alexa. You can involve her in your bedtime routine with your kids, and you can have them go to sleep very peacefully and easily. Then there are a lot of fun games and interactive quizzes which you can play with Alexa. It depends upon the age of your kid. The list is endless. I'll try to add few of them in the description box below. You can just check them out, and according to the age of your kid, you can play those games or quizzes with Alexa. Vedansh's favorite are animal sounds and freeze dance. Next, you can utilize Alexa for potty training also. Yes, you heard it right. You can utilize her skills to potty train your toddlers. Ask her to play poop song while your kid is sitting in the potty chair, or you can ask her to fart also. Yes, she makes very fun fart noises. So in a fun way, you can transition your kids from diapers to potty chair or potty seat. So before moving on, I would like to add that there are various models of Alexa and they are available at different prices. I'll add their product links in the description box below. You can check them out, and according to your preferences and your budget, you can choose one. Next, I'm going to share with you interesting application that I do with Alexa. I use her counting skills to make Vedansh feed or eat food on his own. If you want to know how to make kids eat on their own or feed on their own, I've made a video on that. I'll put its link here, and it will be in the description box below also. So I ask Alexa to back count from like 50 to 1, and I'll ask Vedansh, see, you have to finish the milk before Alexa finishes back counting. So this thing actually works for me. You can try that also. I hope that it works for you also. It's kind of behavior management with positive reinforcement. Kid feels accomplished if he or she finishes the milk before Alexa finishes counting. So you can just give it a try. Also, you can use it when you ask them to tidy up the room or when they are collecting up all their toys or books. So these are few applications of Alexa from my side. If you have your own suggestions, you can add it in the comment section. And if you like this video, then please do subscribe to my channel and do hit the like button also. And do share this video with your friends and relatives. And if you want to watch similar content on modern parenting, kid-friendly food and their activities, the links I'll add here, and they are also in the description box below. You can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram @momamhome. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.
Let's keep going.
Yes, make a flamingo.
Keep
Come on.
bending down while the music plays. Don't forget to say those runs.
Jump. Yes. Alexa, play Mom I'm Home on YouTube.